Hi there, I'm Tom. Today I'm showing you how to add fractions with common denominators. This is Jane. She works at a construction site. For her project, she needs to cut a piece of wood to 5/816 inches. She must add 2/16 of an inch to account for movement. You can see that we have two fractions with a common denominator of 16. Let's make diagrams representing these fractions. 5 and 8/16 means 5 and 8 out of 16 parts, while 2/16 means 2 out of 16 parts. Using the diagrams, we can just put the shaded parts together to get our total of 5 wholes and 10 out of 16 parts, or 5 and 10/16. Simple, isn't it? Now let's try to solve this without using diagrams. When adding fractions with a common denominator, add up the numerators while using the same denominator. In this case, 5/816 plus 2/16 is equals to 5 and 10 over 16. That's quick and easy. Let's go with another rule about fractions. Rule number 2. Fractions must be expressed in their simplest forms. How do we simplify fractions? It's easy. We can see that 10 and 16 are both even numbers. If we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2, we get 5 and 8. Therefore, our final answer is 5 and 5/8. Just remember that if you are dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same number, it will not change the value of the fraction. What if we add 7 ninths and 4 ninths together and get 11 ninths? We got a fraction with a numerator greater than the denominator. This is called an improper fraction. Here's another rule with fractions. Improper fractions must be converted into mixed fractions. So what is a mixed fraction? Mixed fractions are fractions with a whole number right beside it. To convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, we need to look at the denominator, which is 9. How many 9s are in 11? 1. Now let's write down our denominator. 11 minus 9 is 2. Our final answer is 1 and 2 9s. You got it! Remember these 3 rules when adding fractions with a common denominator. Rule 1. Add up the numerators while using the same denominator. Rule number 2. Fractions must be expressed in their simplest or reduced forms. Rule number 3. Improper fractions must be converted into mixed fractions. You have just learned the basics of how to add fractions with a common denominator. Thanks for watching.